All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk aftermarket warranty companies. All right, so one of the questions I get a lot on what's going on around the shop is, this is a, warranty company job, and I always get asked the same question over and over again. Help us understand how to work with these warranty companies, how, yada, yada, yada. The problem is I don't work with them. We write it up. The boss sits on the phone with them and deals with them. The one I can tell you the best is that we've ever dealt with is CarMax. The CarMax warranty company, which is not just CarMax. That company has several divisions that have different names, but I don't deal with them other than writing it up and dealing with the adjuster when they come in. So it's hard for me to sit there and go, these are bad ones, these are good ones, let these companies in, don't let these companies in. I don't deal with them. I honestly don't deal with them other than my job. And that goes with everybody in the shop. Only one that rings a bell is any of the CarMax warranty companies. Those are awesome to deal with. They will fix the car. Cole just did a cam cover reseal on a Tiguan that was covered by a CarMax warranty. So if you can let CarMax in, let CarMax in. Are they easy to deal with? None of them are. Not even CarMax. They all make somebody sit on the phone a long time, explaining stuff, sending stuff over. Then you got to deal with the adjuster when they come in. You got to bring the car in so they can document everything, show them the codes if you're doing a check engine light repair, photograph the leak if you're fixing a vehicle leak. I will tell you, all the ones on TV, don't buy, But warranty companies in general suck. We have dealt with several that won't pay for anything. We had a Hyundai come in, all the exhaust valves were bent, and they wouldn't cover it. They made us tear it down to prove it had bent valves. They didn't cover it. And that's unfortunately part of dealing with warranty companies. And sometimes they can not only be a pain in the butt. By the way, they covered the teardown. They did not cover the customer's repairs. I should clarify that. They covered the teardown for us, but did not cover the repairs for the customer. That car got towed out and sent to the junkyard because the customer could not pay for it. So it's unfortunately one of the issues you're going to deal with when it comes to dealing with aftermarket warranty companies is some are really good, some are okay, and a lot of them suck. And I always get asked, what companies? I don't pay that much attention to it. It's a warranty company, so, it is what it is. Gets sold, great. If it doesn't, oh well. That's how I look at it. It's not my money. It's not my car. A lot of times the customer has to carry a lot of the load of some of the poorer warranty companies. Oh, we don't cover that. We don't cover that. We don't cover that. We do our normal write-up on a warranty ticket, and then our boss, who does the warranty claims, reorganizes it into covered and not covered expenses. So, like for instance, we do a AC compressor. The compressor may be covered, the drive belt normally is not. Now, we always put a drive belt when we do any sort of serpentine belt work because, well, I don't want it squeaking. And belts are cheap, and I'd rather give the customer a belt than have them come back with a squeaky belt. We actually had one the other day because it's not available anywhere. It was a Miata. Eric did a compressor on it, and it had a aftermarket supercharger kit on it. He had the number for the belt. It crossed over to nothing that was in stock, so he had to reuse it. It came back 2 days later squeaking. So will RTV fix that? But that's my point why we do that. But anyway, I digress. And the customer pays the difference or whatever, and that's how we do it. We don't, We park the car, wait for the warranty company to either send an adjuster in it or approve it. And however it happens, because, you know, like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're going to get. Because, you know, unless you know these companies really well, like my boss does, and our one service writer knows them really well, working at a Chevrolet dealership down in Florida, I don't deal with them. So can't tell you what companies are better than the others. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.